It has been estimated that every third person is taking some kind of supplement on the regular basis. Now, people with autoimmune diseases have to be really careful with these supplements because some of the research studies show that these supplements can actually be harmful for autoimmune disease patients. So that's what I'm going to discuss today, the worst supplements for autoimmune disease patients. So very first supplement on this list is spirulina. Yes, spirulina has been told as superfood because it helps with your immune system. It has very high protein content as well as high antioxidant content. But because of these same reasons, it can actually overstimulate the immune system in autoimmune disease patients and can lead to flare up of autoimmune diseases. The second supplement on this list is vitamin E. Yes, again, vitamin E is a really very helpful supplement and can support your skin health and various health benefits. But here's the major problem. Majority of the supplements which are sold of vitamin E in the grocery stores have synthetic version of vitamin E. They have something called DL tocopherols. Now this DL tocopherols are actually derived from petroleum. In fact, the recent research studies show that people who are consuming vitamin E on the regular basis, they have higher risk for heart diseases as well as certain kinds of cancers. The third supplement on this list is Echinacea. Now, Echinacea is a very common ingredient in the cold and flu supplements because Echinacea can boost your immune system and can be helpful for fighting various kind of viruses, especially cold and flu. But again, there are research studies which show that Echinacea causes hyperstimulation of immune system in people who have autoimmune diseases. The next supplements on this list are over-the-counter unregulated ayurvedic supplements. What that means is that the reason you need to avoid these unregulated ayurvedic supplements is that they can be high in lead and arsenic. We have several case report studies where people have been admitted to the hospital because of liver failure, because of being toxic into lead and arsenic, because they were consuming these ayurvedic supplements which have not been tested for lead and arsenic, and their levels of lead and arsenic in the blood were really very high. Again, I am not saying that Ayurveda is really bad, but there are several different kinds of Ayurvedic supplements in the market. A lot of these Ayurvedic supplements have high amount of lead and arsenic in them. So it is very important that if you are buying a particular supplement, you make sure that they are testing these Ayurvedic supplements for especially lead, mercury and arsenic. The last category of supplements on this list is multivitamins. Majority of people are consuming multivitamins on the regular basis thinking that they are giving them the appropriate dosage of vitamins and minerals. We have several case report studies that these multivitamins might have very high doses of iodine which can lead to flare up of Hashimoto's disease. Some of these multivitamins have very high doses of vitamin A, which is a fat soluble vitamin, and at high doses it can be toxic to your liver.